5 years, significant amount of houses needs to be built to accommodate Rwanda's rapidly growing population. Today we are going to visit 3 sites that are going to give us a highlight on the various construction projects that are taking place here in Kigali. These include Rwanda Park Estate, which offers to 2,800 affordable houses, Karama Model Village, and Busanza Housing Park Estate, which offers to over 1,000 units. All these 3 sites will be unique upon completion, and all these sites are being built in collaboration with the Rwanda Housing Authority.
Yeah, my name is Leopold Uimana. I'm in charge of the department in dealing with affordable housing in this institution of Rwanda Housing Authority. The services that we provide is to deal with investors in affordable housing. We assess their projects and to see whether they are affordable in terms of Rwandan norms. Then we provide infrastructure subsidy, and we assist investors to get buyers and to get also the developable land. So those are services that we do at this moment.
Welcome to Rwanda Park Estate, which is a new type of dwelling with high density, high quality of space, and yet affordable to everyday citizens. The high density didn't result in a high-rise tower, but instead a diverse neighborhood of low-rise dwellings with a maximum of 3 stories. These include apartments and ground floor dwellings of varying sizes, such as row house for $14 at a size of 37 meters square, an apartment for $20, 61 meters square, and a townhouse for $26, 71 meters square. The largest apartments, 95 meters square, will cost approximately $38. This is a unique project because it is the first time that housing is being developed on a project basis at this large scale for this price segment. Many projects in Eastern Africa start with this ambition but end up being less affordable. Now we are at Karama Model Village. This one-stop center has been inaugurated by President Paul Kagame in July 2020 and features 4-story residential blocks housing 120, 2-bedroom homes, 1-bedroom home, as well as a suite of amenities including a modern market, an early childhood development center, water, electricity, connectivity, and a health post, and more. The Karama Model Village also hosts a secondary school with modern ICT facilities as well as laboratories for mathematics, chemistry and biology to provide further education to children graduating from primary school. Sports facilities including a basketball and volleyball courts were put in place as part of recreational facilities to help students explore their talents. To connect the village to internet, a fiber optic internet is being rolled out from the first point of the 7.8-kilometer road. Beneficiaries were given all home materials, including beds and mattresses. Part of the projects at Karama Village include horticulture activities that will help provide balanced diet to beneficiaries, and the water pumping house has been established at the village to provide a constant water to the village. So now we are at the final location, Busanza Housing Estate. This estate will benefit residents from the largest slum of Kigali that covers villages of Kangondo 1, Kangondo 2 and Kibiraro 1. The estate will make a difference in residents who are living in a high-risk area, in unplanned settlement, and in total conflict with the master plan of the city of Kigali. The estate in Busanza will have important amenities for occupants, such as playing areas, a modern market, a workshop hall for people to buy and sell different art crafts, as well as a central sewerage system. The project is a good opportunity for city residents in line with addressing housing challenges. This concludes our tour at various construction projects that are taking place here in Kigali. As you have seen, the sector is pushing towards goals set forth by the Master Plan 2050 that introduces more equitable, affordable and incremental approach to city development. The goal is to accommodate 3.8 million residents and to provide jobs for 1.8 million in 2050. I hope you've enjoyed the tour and we hope to see you soon in Rwanda.